A Hawaii Marital Settlement Agreement is a document in which both spouses convey the terms of an uncontested divorce or dissolution of marriage. It covers a full range of topics such as distribution of property, child and alimony support, and custody rights. In this video, we'll review the importance of Hawaii Marital Settlement Agreements, some legal requirements, and where to get an official form. First, let's begin by discussing the importance of a Hawaii Marital Settlement Agreement. The document outlines the basic terms of the divorce settlement, such as which spouse gets certain property that's jointly owned, before presenting it and filing it with family court. An agreed upon document must be presented to a judge for approval if the spouses are seeking an uncontested divorce. So let's review the benefits of the document. The marital settlement agreement is essential as it includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all of the details surrounding the divorce, can avoid a formal trial in family court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets including real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all parties' signatures, is often required by the court when filing for divorce, can be kept if approved as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. It's in the mutual interest of each spouse and their legal counsel to reach an agreement by using this document, provided all parties see eye to eye on the terms, so the divorce can be more efficient and inexpensive. Now, let's look at some legal requirements in Hawaii. Hawaii is one of the 41 states that have enacted equitable distribution laws. Equitable distribution is the fair separation of assets, which also tends to not be an equal distribution. This dispersion will be left to the discretion of a judge if the spouses are unable to reach a settlement or face a heavily contested divorce. When applying equitable distribution, the courts can take into account the duration of the marriage, what each spouse paid for, employability of each spouse, assets and debts of each spouse or combined, and sources of income and amount. Keep in mind that a marital settlement agreement can be used in Hawaii to avoid distribution by the courts. If both spouses agree on most terms, they can file for an uncontested divorce or dissolution. Some other legal requirements to file for an uncontested divorce in Hawaii include: the filing spouse must have resided in the state for at least 6 months prior to filing. A reason or grounds for the divorce doesn't have to be given since Hawaii is a no-fault state. And a couple will not have to appear in court if a judge approves all of the paperwork. It's always recommended to have an attorney review the agreement and other divorce documents to ensure all legal requirements are being met. We're eForms, the biggest database of legal documents. We've created expansive and state-specific templates that cover every last detail of Hawaii marital settlement agreements. To get an official template that can be used to file for divorce in your nearest family court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.